show. Today we have Alice Gong, COO of INNO Holdings Incorporated, which has just IPO'd on the NASDAQ under the ticker INHD. Alice, welcome.
Thank you for having me, Craig.
You are quite welcome. INNO Holdings is an innovative building technology company on a mission to transform the construction industry. Let's start with an overview of your business operations.
We were founded in late 2019. INNO takes its name from innovation and is committed to the research and development of intelligent light gauge steel products, providing higher performance and greater efficiencies in all aspects of construction. Specializing in cold-formed steel members, we offer end-to-end services, transforming raw materials into precise steel framing and prefabricated homes, from residential to commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects. Our finished products cater to diverse building needs, serving business and customer alike. And our mission statement is very clear. We are aiming to change the world for the better by leveraging technology to lower the cost and the environmental footprint of construction while creating more durable and resilient buildings. INNO recognized the inherent inefficiency and waste in traditional lumber-based construction techniques and sought to develop steel-based construction techniques to solve the problem.
Alice, just how big is the market opportunity you are addressing with your products and services?
Actually, the present market offers a substantial $40 billion opportunity within the United States for framing and prefabricated home manufacturing. Specifically, there is a $6 billion market segment for light gauge steel framing and a $9 billion segment dedicated to prefabricated home manufacturing. And also, we have $25 billion segment for traditional wood framing, highlight that of a remarkable conversion potential within this industry.
Let us talk about your business model, Alice. How does INNO Holdings make money?
Well, we have 4 featured products that have achieved or will achieve substantial market traction. And for the intelligent light gauge steel framing solutions, our business model is B2B, business to business. And we operate as both a manufacturer and a wholesaler of our smart steel studs product. We have a strong focus on building relationships with our partners and customers. And we work closely with them to understand their needs and provide tailored solutions. Additionally, our wholesale model allows us to offer competitive pricing and flexible ordering options to our B2B partners. And meanwhile, we are in a transition to more larger scale projects from this year. And for other 3 products, our business model is either B2B or B2C. The first one is our function meets aesthetic manufactured home, Caster Cube, which has garnered significant interest, attesting to its innovative design and market appeal. And the second product is Mobile Factory, which has demonstrated its transformative potential, particularly in areas with limited accessibility and infrastructure. Lastly but not least, our multifamily home design boasts a high degree of proven replicability, making it a versatile choice for a wide array of geographic regions.
Alice, congratulations to you and the team on becoming a NASDAQ-listed company. It's a big milestone. What is your direction for the next, say, 3 years?
We have some strategic planning for the next 3 to 5 years. And I just want to talk about 2 profitable products. The Caster Cube, which is a prefab home, and Village 101, which is an apartment product, will remain our primary focus in the next 3 to 5 years. As we continue to invest in research and development, we are confident that these products will drive our future growth. Furthermore, we are refining our client profile from individual homeowners to middle-sized builders, and this shift will allow us to better cater to the needs of our clients and position ourselves as a reliable and trusted partner in the construction industry.
Management, Alice, of course, is key to the success of any company, and especially a smaller cap company. Investors want to know, who are some of the key players on your team?
So our CEO, Mr. DK Liu, aka DK, is a serial entrepreneur with 10-year grown-up experience and solid knowledge of mechatronics, motivated by innovations and creations to disrupt the current construction industry. And our CFO, Mr. Tianwei Li, better known as Solomon. Solomon brings a wealth of experience and a diverse skill set to our leadership team, with the background deeply rooted in finance, strategic thinking, and real estate. And lastly, myself, the Chief Operating Officer, as a seasoned operations expert, my multifaceted background empowers me to enrich our company's operational excellence, strategic planning, and cultural vibrancy. And also, we have some other very good team members. Our team is small but close-knit, with every member cross-trained to handle different types of jobs. This has enabled us to operate efficiently and effectively.
Okay, Alice, I'm going to put you on the spot here a moment. Give us the essential value proposition. Why should an investor take an interest in INNO Holdings right now?
I believe it's a continued innovation. INNO will continually focus on the development of new and high-value products for our customers. So we have a pipeline growth with a focus on large and replicable projects. And also we have expanded sales and marketing to educate the customers about the benefit of our products. Launch of Castor Cube and Village 101 definitely is vital. The housing crisis is here. We are determined to play our part in offering solutions to the American people. Again, INNO is not just a typical domestic manufacturer. INNO is making a real impact on the construction industry as we encourage turnkey construction methods by implementing offsite prefabrication of sustainable light gauge steel panels, which in turn decrease labor and typical delays. At its core, our vision is simple yet profound: to provide quality, affordable, and sustainable shelter for all and our next generations. And this is why we feel confident that investors should have an interest in INNO Holdings, Inc., INHD.
Sounds great, Alice, and congratulations once again on that IPO, and thank you for sharing your story with us.
Thank you so much for having me, Craig. My pleasure.